step on how to use GeoGebra Classic apps. First, open GeoGebra Classic apps. This is the apps. Can be downloaded online. Click the three short line on the right, that is the main menu. Then click on the view. There will be the Math tool and choose the spreadsheet. Views and spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is used to write all the data that we have collected from the sample of 15%. This is the spreadsheet. This is the example that we take from internet. The data contain the weight of community and the amount of water that each person should consume. If we already have or write the data in the Excel, we can copy all the information to the spreadsheet. We can just copy. At the spreadsheet, the row A and B represent a variable that have to study, the row A and B, and the column is the number of sample community that involved with our program. This is the column. The x-axis represent the weight of the community, and the y-axis is the amount of water that each person should consume. Select all the sample at the spreadsheet. Then click the column 1 and 2. Choose list of points. Then the list of points will appear on the input. Change the name of the list. Then click Create. We can also see the preview of the list. Click all the samples at the spreadsheet. After that, click button with symbol bar chart. Then click to variable regression analysis. The data will be plotted at the regression model. This is regression model. The method that we use is a linear regression. This is all the types. From the data that have been plotted, we can get the equation to find the exact unknown value for the x-axis, amount of water consumed in liter. The data is in mode of scatter plot. This is the scatter plot. Scatter plot is a special type of graph designed to show the relationship between two variables. With regression analysis, you can use a scatter plot to visually inspect the data to see whether x and y are linearly related. At the input, we can also see the coordinate. This is the input. You see the coordinate of each sample in the data. From the GeoGebra, also we can calculate the mean x and y from the data. In conclusion, from our graph, the result is positive linear relationship because the graph is below than 0. This is another example of graph that's to know the ideal body mass index BMI for each sample based on height. First, open this GeoGebra Classic apps. Click the three short line on the right, that is the main menu. Then click on the view, there will be the Math tool and choose Spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is used to write, this is the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is used to write all the data that we have collected from the sample of 15%. If we already have write the data in the Excel, we can copy all the information to the spreadsheet. You can just copy this. Paste it here. At the spreadsheet, the row A and B represent the variable that have to study, and the column is the number of sample community that involved with our program. Column, row A and B. The x-axis will represent the height, and the y-axis represent the ideal BMI for each sample. X and y-axis. And select all the sample at the spreadsheet. Then click the column 1 and 2 and choose list of point. Then the list of point will appear on the input. This is the input. Change the list name and let it be. Then click create. Then it will come here. We can also see the preview of the list. Then click again all the sample. After that, click the button with the symbol bar chart. Then click two variable regression analysis. The data will be plotted at the regression model. This is the regression model. The method that we use is linear regression also. From the data that have been plotted, we can get the equation to find the normal BMI for each sample. This is the equation. We can just substitute the x value, this is the x value, into this equation, and you can find the y value, that is the BMI value. In conclusion, from our graph, the result is directly proportional positive slope. This directly proportional.